So Ivang, we have Dhanveer also with us. All right. So I'm going to first revise both of you the basics. Whatever I'm teaching you, if you know it, then you can also give the answers. All right.
Okay.
Let me share the chessboard first of all. Okay. Let me ask Dhanveer first. Dhanveer, can you just tell me what you know about the chess game?
So there are two color squares, black and white, and there are numbers and letters.
No, numbers and letters are fine, Dhanveer. I'm just saying, how do you play this game?
So you have to play with the things like pawn, rook, knight, bishop, king, queen.
Okay, all right. So we'll ask Ivang. Ivang, can you tell me what do you know about this game? What do you know about chess?
That
Yeah.
how to win. If we beat the king, then we win.
All right. Okay. So let me give you clarity to both of you. Firstly, look at this. The chess is a war game. It's a fight. So the two groups are going to fight here, the white and the black. All right. So you can see here, all these are white pieces and there is a black pieces also here. So the objective is, Dhanveer, that white will try to kill all the black pieces and black will try to kill all the white pieces. All right. So yeah. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to ask you the names of each and every piece. All right. Okay. And remember, I don't want any group answers. I know both the names. If I'm saying Dhanveer, only Dhanveer will answer. If I'm saying Ivang, then only Ivang will answer. Is that clear?
Yes.
All right. So first, Dhanveer, tell me what is the name of this piece?
Queen.
Very good. Ivang, what is the name of this piece?
King.
Great. Dhanveer, what is the name of this piece?
Knight.
It has one more name. Can you tell me?
Horse.
Very good. Okay, Ivang, what is the name of this piece?
Bishop.
This one. What is the name of this piece, which is in yellow?
Bishop.
Very good. Bishop. And it has one more name. Do you know what is the other name it has? Camel.
No.
What do you call? Camel. All right. Camel or a bishop. Got it. And what about Ivang? What is the name of this piece?
King.
Very good. King. All right. And what about this one? The tiny piece?
Pawn.
Pawn. Okay. Dhanveer, what is the name of this piece?
Pawn.
And what is the other name it has?
Yana.
In English?
Uh,
Soldier.
soldier.
Okay. So Pyada is called actually in Hindi. All right. But you're right. Don't worry. That is also correct. Ivang, you understood now? So these are the names of the pieces, right? Okay. You don't have to do anything. Now watch the next one. So what happens here? As I've told you that there are two groups here, then we remember. White has his own group and black has his own group. So these two groups are going to fight. All right. Now, before you start the war, please remember the chessboard, if you can see here, it's a green and white. Some chessboards you will find blue and white, black and white. So always remember, there's always a dark color and a light color. And remember a very important rule, Ivang, you always need to keep the chessboard in such a way you have a light color on your right hand. Ivang, show me your right hand. Dhanveer, show me your right hand. Very good. You both are very smart. Otherwise, most of the kids make a mistake. Even I used to make a mistake when I was a kid. But you both are very smart. So always remember, kids, you need a light color on your right hand. The other day, I was in the club. Before the lockdown, I saw the two old men were playing chess, Dhanveer. And if you see their chessboard, there was a dark color on their right hand. So they were playing totally wrong chess. You can't play like that. You always need a light on your right. All right? Okay. Now, before we start the war, I will teach you now which piece comes on which square. If you know the answer, you can give me. Wait, one by one, Ivang. Okay, Ivang, can you tell me where will the elephant stand?
Elephant will only stand in the corners.
Very good. So one elephant comes here, elephant or the roof. Okay, Dhanveer, where will the second one come?
The next corner.
Very good. And after that, who comes? Who comes next to the elephant? Yes, Dhanveer.
Knight.
Very good. Okay, now Ivank, you tell me who will come next to the knight, next to the horse.
Bishop.
Yes, bishop. Very good. Smart. And here also same thing. Horse will come next to the rook, and here the camel will come. Now these two squares are for the queen and the king. So always remember, okay, let Dhanveer answer. Dhanveer, can you tell me the white queen will come where?
In the white spot.
Ivank, where will the white queen come?
The white wheel will come after the right bishop.
But both the side bishops are there. So you tell me the color. Is it a green color or the white color?
The white color.
All right, correct. Remember always the queen takes the color. The white queen will always come on the white. And now there is only one square left. This is for the king. Okay? And all the soldiers will come. Ivank, remember, when you're doing chess, sorry, you cannot eat or you cannot do anything. I want your complete concentration. Am I doing any other thing when I'm teaching you? Remember,
No.
it's a mind game. You really need to focus. So look at it. Now the white's kingdom is ready for the war. Right, Dhanveer? Everybody is ready. Now let's put the black's pieces. Okay, so see here, very quickly, I'm again revising. The rooks will always come in the corner, then the horses, then the camels, and the white queen always comes on the white. Many people will argue with you. They'll keep a white queen on black. Tell them, cannot. The queen takes the color. White queen on white and the black queen on black. There's only one square. This is for the king. And all the soldiers will come ahead of these pieces. All right. So the white's kingdom is ready. Got it, guys? Now,
Yes.
let's move on to the black. Now, black also same thing. Okay, so the castles will come. And after that, you have horses. Then you have camels. Then these two squares are for the queen and king. So the black queen comes on black. And this square is for the king. And all the pawns will come ahead of this big pieces. Got it, guys?
Yes.
Okay, now I want both of you to remember this. The white and black, both are ready for the war. Got it? All right.
Yes.
So before you start the war, now what you have to learn, Ivank, you have to learn how does the elephant move? How does he walk? All right, that's very important, correct? And how does the horse move? How does the camel move? How does the king move? How does the soldier move? So we're going to learn all this now. Got it, guys?
Yes.
Do you have any doubts still here?
No.
Great. All right, so now I'm going to teach you about each and every piece individually. So here we go. Remember, the elephant or the rook always moves straight. Straight means what? Look at it. Up. All right. You can move right. You can move left. And you can move down. Only straight. Is that clear, Ivank?
Yes, sir.
Got it? Hathi, सीधा चलेगा. Got it? Straight. You cannot take slanting. Now I'm going to teach you how you're going to cut it. Watch this. Let's say there are 4 enemies here. Now, what do you mean by an enemy, Ivank? The opposite color, whom you have to fight and who you're fighting. And now, if you want to cut this, look at it. If you want to cut this pawn with your rook, what you have to do is your elephant will go in this block. And remember, it's a board game. Dhanveer, have you ever played a board game like Ludo or Snakes and Ladders?
I played carom and chess.
Sorry?
I played carom and chess.
Okay, chess is anyways there. So remember, in all the board games, you move from one block to another block, Ivank. So from this block, if the elephant wants to kill this pawn, he's going to go from this block to here and he'll cut it. And the pawn is dead. Understood, Ivank?
Yes, sir.
And Ivank, in the same way, again, your elephant can go down and can take this pawn. Even this pawn is dead. In the same way, you can go up and you can cut this. All right. And the last one, you can cut like this. Got it? How to cut it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What are you guys using? Are you using an iPad or a computer? What do you have?
The computer, iMac.
iPad, huh? Okay. Let me see if you can cut this pawn. Just try. If it is not happening, it's fine. But I just want to give the remote first to Dhanvir. Wait. Dhanvir, I'm giving you the remote to you. With your rook, can you go and take the pawn? Just lift the rook and put it inside the block. In the pawn's block. Oh, very good. That's fine. Yeah, yeah. Good, good. So,
It didn't happen.
no, it happened. It happened. So I just changed it. 1 second. I'll give you again. Yes, go again now. Again, go and take the pawn. Come on, Dhanvir.
Just click it there. Once. Just hold, click and move.
Very good. So that's how you cut it, right? Ivan, can you try? Okay, let's see
Oh,
if you can cut it. I'll give you this. Chalo. Try karo. 1 minute. With the rook, capture the pawn. Come on, Ivan. You have to pick up the rook.
sir, is not happening.
Yeah, it's okay, Ivan. No problem. Let it be. Let it be. You just watch. I don't want to waste time on that. It's easy. You can learn later from Mama. So this is how the rook moves straight. Now let's see, how does the camel move? Ivan, can you tell me how does the camel move? Yes.
Camel goes slanting.
Very good. Right, Dhanvir? Camel goes slanting. So if you have 4 pawns like this, the camel can capture 1 by 1. So you can cut this, or you can cut this, or you can cut this, or you can cut this. These are the 2 ways you have to cut it. Is that clear, guys?
Yes.
Got
Yes.
it? Wonderful. So now the next thing. After camel, let's talk about the soldier. Dhanvir will tell us. Dhanvir, can you tell me, how does the pawn or the soldier move? Who is that? He's your brother?
It's at the start.
1 second. Dhanvir, is that your brother?
Yeah, his
Yeah.
cousin.
Okay, he knows it. Let him talk.
Ashish, do you know how the pawn moves?
How the pawn moves, do you know?
I'll try if I can.
Okay, Dhanvir, you tell me.
So if it's at the start, it will move a double step or it will
Okay.
move 1 step.
All right. Ivank, how does the soldier move? Ivank, how does the pawn move?
Straight.
What? 3 steps.
He moves
Yeah.
How many steps, Ivan?
1.
Yeah. Or it can
Or
take 2.
2.
Very good. Very good. You both are correct. Now, both of you listen carefully. Okay. Just see here. I'll make it better what you said. Soldier from the beginning. Always remember, Ivank, from where you're starting is a 0 square. It's 0. So you can take 1 or you can take 2. So basically here, 1 second. Look at here. For example, I'm putting all the soldiers here. Okay. All the soldiers from the beginning can take 1 or they can take 2 also, kids. But once they leave their home, these are their homes from where they start. But once they leave their home, they go only 1 step, only 1, like a turtle. Got it? You understood or no? Yes, Dhanvi, tell me.
Pawns can kill diagonally.
Yes, that I'm coming to now. That I'll be explaining you. So here, let's say the soldier is here. Ivank, remember, how does the soldier cut? Does it cut straight or slanting, Ivank? Tell me.
Slanting.
Very good. It only cuts slanting. Dhanvir, Ms. Kina, can you ensure that Dhanvir doesn't get disturbed, please?
Yeah.
Okay. So Dhanvir, look here. The soldier cuts only slanting, like this.
Okay.
But remember, kids, if the soldier is here, can the tiny soldier go all the way to and cut it?
No.
Cannot. Only 1. Remember this. This is very important. Only 1. Okay? Okay, I'll teach you something interesting. Look here. Look here. Now, if you want to cut these soldiers, remember, I want you to cut all the 8 soldiers. Let's see if Dhanvir can get it. Dhanvir, you try. I want you to cut all the 8 soldiers, all the 8 black soldiers. Start.
Okay, but it's not happening.
Everything will happen. You try. Yes, that's correct. Ivank, you later learn from Mama how to move from this iPad. Okay, it's very simple. But right now you focus. Very good, Dhanvir. Good. Very smart. Okay, very smart. Just stop it now, Dhanvir. That's it. Okay, Ivan, can you try with your mouse? Can you just try to kill that pawn? Would you be able to do it?
ये mouse है.
Mouse थोड़ी pen.
1 second. Sorry. I didn't give you the mouse to you. Wait, I have to give the mouse to Ivank. Yes, Ivank, I gave you now. Now try. You have to keep the white pawn. You have to keep the white pawn on this, okay? Now try this. Now try this. Fine, I'll do it. Okay, so this is how you can do crisscross, okay? It's really simple. So please remember, the soldier goes slanting. The next one is the king. Ivank, do you know how does the king move? Any idea?
King can move. King
Yeah.
can move anywhere.
But how many steps?
1.
Very good. King takes only 1 square because he's a king, right? So he doesn't work.
Yeah.
King means the one who doesn't work. So he moves only 1 square, whichever square, only 1. All the immediately surrounding squares. Now watch it. Okay. So these are the 4 places what the king has. So listen to me. The king can go slanting, down. Okay. If he's here, he can go up. If he's here, he can go like this, only 1 step. But tell me, if the soldier is here, can the king take 1, 2?
No.
No, only 1, right? Okay, great. Chalo, let's move on to the smart piece now. Who's the smart piece in chess? Do you know? Yes,
Then
that's right. Correct. Absolutely. So, who knows how does the horse move? Okay, wait, Dhanvir. Let's ask Ivank. Yes, Ivank, tell me. How does the horse move?
first horse take 2 steps, then he can move left or right.
Oh, very good. How did you learn, Ivank? Who plays chess at home?
दादू.
Grandfather.
Ah, even I learned from my grandfather. He was a champion. Because of my grandfather, even I become a champion. Good. So, Dhanvir, how do you know the game?
So I can go 1, 2.
No, I'm asking you. How do you know the basics? I'm asking you, Dhanvir.
Other chess classes.
Oh, very good. Okay. Now look here. The horse moves. What both of you said is absolutely right. Okay, but I just want to show you in a better way. Okay, so that you'll remember this. If your basics are good, the way I'm teaching you, then you will understand the further lessons. Because what happens when you learn from your grandfather or at home, you don't learn it properly with the right terms and the right technique. Look at the technique here. The horse always moves 0, 1, 2, and half. 0, 1, 2, and half. Ivank, are you understanding? 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, straight line. 0, 1, 2, half. 0, 1, 2, half. So ये जो 0, 1, 2 है, that will always remain a straight line. 0, 1, 2, half. 0, 1, 2, half. And again 0, 1, 2, half. 0, 1, 2, half. And can anybody tell me what is the special property horse has? Yes, Dhanvir.
It can jump over other.
Very good, Dhanvir. You're very smart. Got it? You're very smart. Ivank, you know that horse is the only piece which can jump over?
No.
You don't know? You don't know this? Okay, so remember this. So now the horse can jump over both the pawns, 0, 1, 2, and half. All right? But remember, kids, horse can only jump over it. It doesn't mean that whoever the horse jumped over, it will take these 2 pawns also along. It cannot. It can only jump over them, but it cannot kill them. It can only take finally the final square wherever it is. 0, 1, 2, half. All right? Got it, kids? Now let's go to the last piece. Now Dhanvir will answer. Dhanvir, what powers does the queen has?
It can go anywhere in any direction and how many squares it wants to, but it cannot jump.
Okay, what about you, Ivank? You tell me, what do you know about the queen, Ivank?
The queen is the powerful.
Very good. और क्या बताया? Grandfather ने बताइए. और what else the queen does?
She can move any direction.
Correct. But one last point you're forgetting.
But she can't go one block.
She can't?
She can go one block.
One job she can't do it. Whose job the queen can't do it? Yes, Dhanvir.
Horse.
Yes, that nobody said it. The queen cannot do the job of a horse. That's very, very important. Remember. All right. So it means it can neither jump, Dhanvir, nor it can go 0, 1, 2 and half. Is that clear to you, Ivank? Ivank, remember, queen is very powerful. She does all the jobs, but she cannot do the job of a horse. All right. Now, queen goes like an elephant straight. Queen can go like a camel slanting. Like an elephant straight, slanting like a camel. And also if there are pawns around, all right, here, let's say the queen is here. Okay, it can also do the job of a king, one step. And it can also cut like a soldier. If the queen is here, it can do it. But if there is somebody over here, can the queen go 0, 1, 2 and half?
No.
Cannot. All right. So you have learned the first lesson, that how to arrange the pieces where the army stands. You've learned the second lesson also, that how does each piece move. Now we are straight away going to the puzzles. Means I'm going to give you a task. All right. So we will begin with Ivank. All right. Because Dhanvir, you have already done some coaching, you're saying professionally. So let's give first chance to Ivank. If you cannot, then you'll get a chance. Okay, I'll tell you how to do this. Ivank, fold your hands. Fold your hands and concentrate. Because now you'll have to start using your brains. Got it? So far you had a fairy tale, but now the things are going to be a little tricky. Okay, so Ivank, this is for you. You are white. You have to kill all the black pieces. The black pieces are the ones whom you have to cut it. So I'm going to ask you each one. Tell me first of all, which white piece can cut the horse?
The white piece.
Yeah, which white piece can cut this horse, which is on A5?
The elephant.
Very good. Elephant जो है ना A1 पे है Ivank. देखो यहाँ पे. Every block has a name in chess. That is the beauty. This is called A1. This is A2, A3, A4, A5. So you can even tell me A1. You're absolutely right. Good job. Second, Ivank. Which white piece can cut the camel?
The elephant.
Which is on? Naam batao. Don't tell me the green, white, yellow and all the rainbow colors. What is the name?
D2.
Very good. और एक है. एक तो D2 है और दूसरा भी है. Who else can cut it?
A5.
Very good. Smart kid. The last one. Which white piece can cut the soldier on G3? Tell me.
The
Number 10 and the number.
Yeah.
F.
Yeah.
F2.
Very good. Good job. Very good. You solved the first one. You got 10 points. Let's give it to Dhanvir now.
Okay.
Dhanvir, you have a choice to choose. I gave 3 pieces to Ivank, but I think you're older. So can I give you 7 pieces or 5 pieces? Choose.
7.
Great. Very good. I like it. So let's see if you can spot. And Ivank, you also see whichever Dhanvir will be missing, you'll have a chance to answer. So it means you still have to concentrate. The 7 pieces are not going to be easier. Remember, because you have to concentrate a lot. More the pieces, more the concentration. So, yeah, that's it. Okay, again, I'm telling both of you, listen to me very carefully. When you actually start the war, when you actually do the war, this is how the position is going to be, Wang. There will be 16 white pieces and 16 black pieces. There will be 32 pieces on the board. So if you have to learn how to spot the pieces. Okay, Dhanvir, your time starts now. Which white piece can kill this bishop? Tell me.
A1.
Sorry?
The rook at A1.
Very good. Good job. Absolutely right. Now tell me which white piece can kill the bishop on D8?
The rook at D2.
Very rook on D2. Excellent. Good job. Fantastic. Now who can cut the bishop on H5?
The queen at H2.
Very good. The queen on H2. Absolutely right. Now who can cut the pawn on C4?
The pawn at B3.
Excellent. Pawn on B3. B3, no? Okay, okay, all right. So, no, that's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Huh. Now, which white piece can cut this horse?
The horse at E5.
Okay, one is the horse on E5. Who else can cut it? There's one more.
And the queen.
Very good, Dhanvir. There's one more.
The king, queen.
Excellent. Ivank, you saw this? How many white pieces can kill this knight? Did you see it?
Yes.
Tell me how many?
3.
Yes, one is the horse and king and queen. And Dhanvir is so smart. He answered all 3. Very good, Dhanvir. Good job. So let's cut it with the horse. Now, who can cut the horse?
The king at G7 and the queen at H5.
Excellent. Now one second. So let me just capture with this. Okay. The last. Now who can kill the pawn? Who can cut this pawn? Come on.
The queen at H7.
The queen and?
H7.
No, the queen is fine. Who else is there?
The pawn at E4.
Exactly. Very good. Very good. Both of you got 10 points each. Amazing. I'm proud of both of you. Now see here the next one. Look here. Well, after the spotting the pieces, now let's move on to the lesson number 4, the planning. All right. Now planning is very important. For example, let's say this is your elephant, Ivank. This is the enemy. All right. If you want to kill the horse, Ivank, can you kill slanting or you cannot? Ivank. Can you kill slanting or you cannot? Come on, answer. Tell me.
Not. We can't not.
The elephant can't go slanting, correct?
Yes.
So how do you go then? So if you want to kill the horse, I want you to kill the horse with your rook. How do you go then? Where do you come first?
Bishop.
Bishop नहीं है बेटा.
No. Ivank, you're not understanding. What I'm saying is, you have to kill with the elephant only, but you can't kill slanting. So what do you have to do? You have to plan. Dhanvir will answer. Dhanvir, come on. Where will you put it? Yes?
At C6.
Very good. See here, Ivank. Ivank, look here carefully. This is what the planning will teach you. Pay attention. You have to kill this, then you have to come first here and stop. And stop. Next move, you can go straight and kill it. This is called planning. Are you understanding? So first here.
Yes.
Stop. Now it is black's turn. Got it? Now let's say black plays against 0, 1, 2 and half. It will run away. Again, attack. Again, if he dodges, again attack. Again, he'll run away. Again, attack. Got it? This is how you play the game. Got it? So you have to learn how to attack. Okay, so this is how you attack with the rook. All right, now let's see if you have a camel. Now look at this, and the horse is here. Watch it carefully now. Your camel cannot go straight and kill it. So you have to go slanting. So what do you have to do, Dhanvir? Where will you put the camel first?
G5.
Very good. So see, there are two ways here. Watch it carefully, both of you. First, you can go to C5, or you can go to G5, and then you can cut the horse. Ivank, are you understanding?
Yes.
The planning will make you even smarter. Got it? And Dhanvir, you give the right answer. So, Ivank, I want you to try one. Come on, just try. This is your camel. This is the horse. Now, can you tell me where will you put the camel? Where will you go first to kill the horse?
Just tell him the number.
Just tell me the name of the square.
G5.
G5 nahi hai. See properly. Count karo. Use your fingers and count.
G2.
Nahi, nahi, nahi. See, G4. Correct?
And one more.
And one more is there. 1 second, Dhanvir. Ivank, there is other side also. Can you show me the other side? Where else you can put?
This side.
Tell him.
Yeah, the other side. Number batao. What is the number? C?
C4.
Very good. C4 and G4. Absolutely right. Now, let Dhanvir answer. Well, I want to give you a little tough, Dhanvir. The easy ones you'll crack. So I'll give you this. Now, Ivank, just watch how Dhanvir is going to do. Dhanvir, you have to kill the horse with the camel. So where do you keep it? Come on. I will give you the remote to you. You can show me with the remote. Yes, Dhanvir. Dhanvir has the remote. Come on. What do you do?
Over there, or there's one more option.
Very good. What is the other option? No, 1 second. 1 second. It's okay. Yeah. Correct. Ivank, you understood?
Yes.
The one way is that you come here and stop. And the other way is you come here and stop. Got it? Both
Yes.
are absolutely correct. All right? This is how you attack with the bishop. Good. All right. In the same way, if you want to kill the attack with the queen, let's say queen is here and horse is here. Now you have to answer. Ivank, you have to answer now. Ivank, watch here carefully. You want to cut the horse with the queen. And you know very well that the queen can go straight also. Queen can go straight also. And queen can go slanting also. So where would you keep the queen if you want to kill the horse? Tell me at least one square. Yeah.
T2.
See, agar aap E2 kheloge na, it's of no use because you're not reaching the horse. Try again.
E3.
Where is he?
E3.
That's D2. Ivank, that is D2, right? D and 2. Correct. This is 1. All right. Dhanvir, can you show me more ways where else you can put the queen if you want to kill the horse?
D5.
Very good. You can play C6, no? G6.
D5.
D5 is correct. D5 is also there. Ivank, watch here. You can play D5 and attack. You can play G6 and attack. Or you can play queen there and you can attack, right? These are the squares what you have, right? Here also. Absolutely right. Correct? Okay. Now watch here. I want to teach you the next one to you.
And one more. G.
Sorry, Dhanvir, what are you saying?
The queen could go to G3
Yeah.
also.
I know. There were many squares. That's fine. Now tell me, Any of you know what is the meaning of a check? Do you know the meaning of a check?
Yes.
Yeah, when do you say check, Dhanvi?
It means there's an attack to the king.
Okay. Ivang, do you know what is a check?
Yes.
When do we say check?
When we search something.
Sorry? When we attack the king, we have to say check. Okay? Please remember that.
Okay.
Ivang, for example, I'll tell you what is a check. Let me tell you. Very simple to learn. Very easy to learn. Okay? I'm going to teach you check and checkmate and we stop. Look here. Let's say the black king is here. All right? Now, remember both of you, whenever you're going to kill the king, you have to say check. So for example, the rook is here. Now, if you're putting a rook here, the rook is warning the king, hey king, I'm going to kill you. So it's a check. Hands up to the king. Now, look here, Ivang. King cannot come anywhere on this line because here there is a rook, here there is a rook. So the king goes up. Then again, we move the rook up and we say check. See, again it's a check. Now tell me, Ivang, can the king come here? Who will kill it? Ivang, if the king comes here, who will kill it?
The G5.
Very good. The G5 rook. You're right, Dhanvir, easy, right?
Yes.
Correct. So the king can't move anywhere, but luckily the king is not trapped. The king will go up. Then again, see here, Dhanvir. Again, you give check with this rook. Now, can the king come down?
No.
Boys, Ivang, can the king come down?
No.
So the king has to go up. And now this rook will say check. Now tell me where the king can go.
It's checkmate.
It's a checkmate. Very good. The king is trapped. And you won the game. All right?
Yes.
You understood, boys? This is how you have to play chess. Got it?
Okay.
So, see, before we end the game, before we end the class, I want to tell you one very small story and then we end the class. All right? So, I'm glad that you have learned now how to do the war. Okay? So, that is the best thing. Look here now. So, now you both are ready for the war. Both of you have a chessboard at home or no?
Yes.
Very good. So you keep practicing at home. Whoever knows chess, Ivang, you can play with your grandfather. Dhanvir, Mama knows the game or Dad knows who plays. Mama knows? Very good.
Yeah,
And Mama wants you to make a champion. You know that, Dhanvir?
yes.
And I'm sure you can become. Yeah, you're very enthused. All right, look here now. Okay, now whenever you're starting the game, Ivang, okay, people start randomly and always remember white starts first. And I've seen some people start like this. Some people start, like this. So people play different moves. But you know what? Once what happened, I'll tell you, there was a world champion who was actually traveling in a flight. Okay. And so there was a guy who was sitting next to him in the flight. And he just asked him, can we play a game of chess? And the person who asked doesn't know that he's asking a world champion for a game of chess. All right. So the world champion was pretending then. He said, I don't know much about chess. He lied. He would just want to have fun. He wanted to see how he will respond. Then the person said, even I know a little bit chess. Okay. So there's a pocket chessboard. He took it from the pocket and they both started playing. Now, white was a world champion, Ivang. So the world champion started with this move. Is this a right move? We have learned today every soldier from the beginning can take one or two. And then the opponent, the person who asked the world champion, is not a good player. He knows very little about the game. He played this move, one step. And again, the world champion played this move. And the person who knows little chess again played this. And now the world champion said, check. Tell me where the king can go. King is under check. Where can he move the king?
It's mate.
It's a mate. The game is over. Got it? So the world champion just checkmated him in 3 moves. Only 3 moves. Got it?
Yes.
So this is how, Ivank, you can win and you can play good chess when you know how to play. Okay, see, there are a lot of tricks and techniques. Hopefully, we will meet again when you join the class. All right, boys?
Yes, sir.
Hope you enjoyed the class.
Yes, we did.
Bye-bye. I have another class. See you. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Yeah, bye.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, bye-bye.